always start the vlogs off in the car. But hello everyone, welcome back to another Lalee vlog. So it's the day after Christmas. On Christmas Day, we allowed ourselves to snack hard, have fun, eating some treats. I had some drinks. And so to get back on track, I want to show you guys everything that I do to get back down to my normal weight, or just to lose some water weight after Christmas and to get back and be healthy during the holidays. So I've already taken we both already taken our vitamins. I already had a glass of water this morning. You always need to get in your water after you've snacked hard and stuff, because to lose water weight you need to drink water. It helps. So I have another water right here. I ate a lot last night, so I'm not really hungry, so I'm just having a Lalee bar for breakfast. Luke is having a Cliff bar. Okay, I don't know if you heard what I was saying, but Luke was having a Cliff bar because he needed some breakfast, because today he's riding. We're gonna go an hour away and he's going to just get some practice in on the bike.
Words of wisdom with Kaylee.
Yeah, I wanted just to give you guys a nice little tip. So if you allow yourself to drink alcohol, I think it's so important the next day to replenish your body with water, because alcohol dehydrates the body. So even if you have 1 glass or 2 glasses of, like, on Christmas Day or whatever drink you like, I say the next day just make sure you pound a lot of water bottles, because alcohol is so dehydrating to the body. So I will show you guys everything that we do to get back on track and get back to our normal weights and everything during the holidays. Another tip, if you're trying to eat healthy and stuff and get back on track during the holidays, make sure you eat a breakfast. Like, don't skip out on breakfast if you ate a lot the night before.
You'll suffer the consequences later by snacking.
Yeah, you need to restart your metabolism by eating early in the morning. So keep yourself on track, eat 3 meals a day. Don't skip out on a meal just because you ate a lot the night before. Getting ready.
I got a butt dial.
Whoa. That's cool. You gotta keep moving.
Kaylee's trying to do this video about
losing weight.
Losing weight from the holidays. I just told her, I said, I think riding's the best way to lose weight.
All the cardio.
I'm dead. Look how pretty this view is. So we just got back from riding on Z. We ate some good food today. We watched some motocross wrecks. There was 2. Yeah,
that was kind of cool.
Everyone was okay.
Yeah, now we're just sitting and chilling, and hopefully we won't snack anymore. Well, we had a late lunch at the shrimp shack, but we're probably not gonna really eat a big. Oh yeah, shrimp basket. We're probably not really gonna eat a big meal for dinner since we ate kind of late. So we'll probably just snack and enjoy ourselves. Ah!
that was a ball.
That hit my forehead. And we'll see you guys tomorrow or something. Peace out. It's the next day. It's Monday, and Monday through Friday we work out. So I'm gonna show you guys a leg workout today. It's gonna be lower body. I wanna hit my glutes, my hammies, my quads. Wanna make those grow. So we're gonna go a little heavy. Whenever you're trying to get back on track, don't try to go to the gym like every single day that next week, because it's not feasible. What I do and what Luke and I do is we just work out 3 to 4 times a week. We time ourselves. We only let it be 25 minutes, because that's all you need. Your body doesn't need to be stressed out, and you won't make progression that you want to make if you overdo it. So even though you're trying to get back on track, don't overdo something. Try to be balanced. Try to be consistent with your workouts, with your eating, with your water, all of it. Don't forget to take your vitamins Right here, I have vitamin D because I'm low on vitamin D, and then we have an allergy medicine and my multivitamin. This is what Luke got me for Christmas. I just wanted to show you guys because it's so cute. It's Gymshark, and it like ties right here.
It scrunches.
It scrunches, and then the bra, it has the cool lettering on it right here, like with the waistband.
The non-slip stuff.
It looks so cute.
And then we got the
new
on-clouds. You
Look
haven't
at
seen
them.
these.
So cute.
Merry Christmas, baby. And then I got toolboxes over there. Now I'm gonna do my booty finisher. It consists of 3 exercises, and you'll do it as many rounds as possible within 6 minutes. It's only 6 minutes, and you should feel the burn. So let's get into it. Oh, baby. That seems like a lot. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Yeah.
This is our first coffee from our new Keurig machine. Cheers.
Cheers. How was yours?
Dude, the waffle cone.
Let me see. I want to see what decaf.
I'm gonna have one of those every freaking morning now. I'm so excited about it.
Shit, that's
Look
good.
at his lips. It's like 12 o'clock. It's the next day. Sorry we didn't film as much yesterday. We were just hanging out with Luke's family. I woke up this morning at like 10. We slept in, and I got a workout in. It was like arms and shoulders. It was a really good workout. The only thing was, is like I like to like huff and puff and sweat whenever I work out, and that one was more. And that one was more like a muscle building, like controlled muscle connection, my muscle connection kind of workout. And I can't speak. And it was really good. My arms are a little sore. Oh, how I figured one thing out. Hey, Lalee lovers. I just thought of it, guys.
Lalee lovers.
Our fans, y'all are gonna be our Lalee lovers. I think that sounds so good. Okay, print some enlargement. We're in CVS printing off pictures because we're making cute decorations for our house. It has our puppy's foot stamps on it with the picture. We'll show you whenever we get home. Cute, Loki.
Karma.
2021. Now Luke and I are about to go ride on the Z. Good morning. can't tell, it's the morning with our sleepy eyes. So we have a couple of things to do today. We're gonna go get my nails done. Luke's parents leave, sadly, and my tummy's a little upset. It was upset yesterday whenever we ate at Olive Garden. So to help my tummy out, I'm gonna do a chia seed water this morning, and that also helps with like your digestion, to get your intestines moving and get you to go to the bathroom in the morning.
Yeah, what she said.
It's pouring outside. We just got poured on. We just had to tell Luke's parents goodbye. It was so sad.
It's awful. It's always bad.
We don't know whenever we'll be able to see them again, and like it might be a whole year until like next Christmas that we'll be able to see them again. And so it's just really hard saying goodbye every time. And they've like grown so close to Karma and Loki and like me and Luke, and it's just every time it's a cry fest and it's sad. But hopefully in the future they'll be able to move down here and we won't have to say goodbye again.
Right?
Or we can just move to Cali. We're gonna go get our my nails done because I ripped them all off nervously, ticking, and just, yeah, they were looking bad and I didn't want to pay for them to take them off, so I figured I'd just take them off myself and then get a whole new set on. So, show you guys my new nails in a sec. Okay, this is the before and I'll show you the after. They're so cute. I love them. I gotta get a video of her. Yeah. Oh my god, it's smaller than ours.
My name's Lulu.
Luke, you want to come in to see her? Can I hold her? Oh. Oh my goodness. You got the puppy brush still.
Really?
Yeah.
She is so small.
Here, this is Ricky. He did my nails this time and they turned out great. I'm very thankful. You're at AMP Nails. You want to say anything? Hi.
Nope.
Thank you. And this is his baby. She's cutie.
My goodness.
Guys, that was the best nail experience I've ever had. If you are in Fort Walton Beach and you need a nail salon, go to AMP Nails and ask for Ricky. I absolutely loved him. And look how freaking cute. Hang on, let me close the door. Look at how freaking cute they are. He did it like, oh girl, they're cute. No, I always do that. I need to stop that. Okay.
What, the holding?
I hold a mic, yeah. All right. So we really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching it. Be sure to like and subscribe. It really supports our channel. We upload new videos every week.
And leave a comment. Let us know how you like this video and what we can improve on. Criticism is always welcome.
Yeah, I hope you use some of the tips that we use to get back on track for the holiday, after the holidays.
And let us know some tips that you guys use that we didn't say today. I know we didn't really give any tips. We gave maybe like 3.
We did workout, we did everything, but I want to build a community through our YouTube of just like health and fitness and lifestyle content, everything like that, and hopefully the new year will be on top of it, and we can't wait for the new year. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Bye.